Alright, YouTube, I am here to do a versus test between my two Hoover Preferreds. Now, I'm pretty sure that these are both going to do pretty well equally, but I don't know that to be a fact, so we're just going to have to see. They both got pretty new bags in them. This one, however, I didn't remember that I had to borrow the bolt to work on the Eureka over there, the Bravo. So, we're going to go ahead and start with this one. This is the one that doesn't have a light, and I'm sorry I don't have any more lights. I went to the Walmart today to get a light, but they were out of the lights I needed, so it's not going to be exactly what Matthew requested, but once I get another light, I'll put a light in it and redo the video. Maybe not out of dirt, but we'll see. Anyway, here we go. We're going to start with the Kmart Preferred. There's the Kmart Special. I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. Oh yeah, I definitely don't want to pick that up with a vacuum here. It's direct air. Yeah, I got to really be careful with these because they do have they are direct air, so I don't want to pick up anything that could damage them. So anyway, next on to the round bag. Set a bit low for this test. That's a piece of bird seed and bird food. hose came off, I see. Yeah, I'd say as far as the test goes, they both clean pretty equally. So, yeah, it was kind of expected for them to both clean about equally. But, yeah, there's the video, my two Hoover preferred cleaners. I will probably do a follow-up video of these two, because I know the request was of them both to have working headlights, so as soon as I can get a headlight, I'll redo it. But I don't know if it'll be with just paper or if there'll be dirt put down, because, well, I need to start building up my dirt savings account as it's getting a bit low. What I'm probably gonna wind up doing is I'm gonna be taking full bags, cutting them open, and emptying them off into the dirt savings account, as I've decided to call it for good. Because, yeah, I pretty much save up my dirt. I'm a little like Ibasiak, where he keeps dirt from his jobs, I guess, and his tests. Because I don't want to empty it all out into the dumpster like everyone's told me to. So, yeah, anyway, there it is. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. Be sure to subscribe, because not only does it help my channel out, it also shows me that y'all want to see that live stream that I have planned out. Because once I reach 1,000, I'll be doing a very special live stream. And also, while that's one thing, another thing, reason y'all should subscribe is because I'm doing my best to get new videos out every day. And while y'all are waiting on those videos, you can go to my website. It's free to sign up and free to post. Always will be. And the link is in the description. So, until next time, bye.